Hi class, today I'm going to show you how to make a foil print. All you need is foil, color markers, make sure they're washable, a spray bottle with some water, and some paper. Okay? First you're going to take your markers and you're just going to color the foil. Now you can do any kind of design that you want. You can see here I did some diagonal stripes in rainbow color order. And then over here you can see that I did a circular pattern. I'm going to move these out of the way. And now I'm going to spray my foil. Make sure you don't get too close, because when you spray really close it makes the color like move. So make sure you're about 6 inches away when you spray. And you'll see that the colors will start to blend, and that's okay. It's really neat. Then you take your piece of paper and lay it on top and gently press down. You can even rub it a little bit. And then you're going to peel your paper off. And there's my foil print. Isn't that so pretty? Now you can set this aside and let it dry. You could always cut it out. You can use different sizes of foil and paper. You could turn it into a bookmark or a card, anything that you like.